Have you ever had a dream so vivid that you felt like you were actually living it? Imagine if you could take control of that dream, fly, visit exotic places, or even talk to your favorite fictional characters. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if I told you that it's possible and that people do it all the time? Welcome to the fascinating world of lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming is a state where you become aware that you're dreaming. The term lucid means clear, and in this case, it means having a clear awareness that you're in a dream. When you're lucid dreaming, you're not just a passive observer. You can actively control what happens in your dream. You can change the setting, manipulate the characters, and even control the storyline, much like a director in a movie. But how do we know that lucid dreaming is real and not just a myth? Well, scientists have been studying lucid dreaming for decades. One of the most famous experiments was conducted in the 1970s by Dr. Keith Hearn. He asked lucid dreamers to perform specific eye movements while they were in their dreams. Since eye movements in dreams mirror real-life eye movements, researchers could observe these signals in a sleep lab. The dreamers' eye signals matched what they had been instructed to do, proving that they were indeed aware and in control. So, how does lucid dreaming work? It all comes down to the brain. During normal dreaming, our logical reasoning is usually turned off. However, during lucid dreaming, the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for decision-making and self-awareness, becomes active. This activity gives us the unique ability to recognize that we're dreaming and to take control of the dream environment. Now, you might be wondering, can anyone learn to lucid dream? The answer is yes. With practice, many people can learn to become lucid in their dreams. Techniques like keeping a dream journal, performing reality checks throughout the day, and using the wake back to bed method can help. The wake back to bed technique is one of the most effective methods for inducing lucid dreams. It works by leveraging your natural sleep cycles, particularly the rapid eye movement stage, where vivid dreams occur. To perform this method, you begin by sleeping for about 4 to 6 hours. This period allows your body to go through the first stages of sleep, which are typically non-rapid eye movement and deeper. After 4 to 6 hours, you wake yourself up for about 10 to 30 minutes. During this time, your brain is in a heightened state of awareness because you've just completed the deeper stages of sleep, and you're about to enter a long rapid eye movement period when you go back to sleep. While you're awake, engage in a calming activity that keeps your mind focused on the idea of lucid dreaming, such as reading about lucid dreams or practicing meditation. You should avoid stimulating activities like using bright screens, as this might make it harder to fall back asleep. When you return to sleep, do so with the clear intention of becoming aware in your dream. You can repeat a phrase like, "I will realize I'm dreaming," to reinforce your goal of lucid dreaming. Stephen LeBoyd, a pioneer in lucid dreaming research, found that wake back to bed significantly increases the likelihood of lucid dreaming. His studies demonstrated that when combined with other techniques like the mnemonic induction of lucid dreams, wake back to bed can increase the success rate of lucid dreaming up to 60%. Lucid dreaming opens up a whole new realm of possibilities. So, the next time you're dreaming, try to remember, are you in control, or is your mind just taking you on a wild ride? Who knows, you might just find yourself in the director's seat of your own dreams.